Want to change your name on TikTok but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to change your TikTok username and display name. Now let's get started. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap Edit Profile. Select Username. Now type in the username you'd like to use on TikTok. If your desired username is available, you'll see a green check mark. If it's already taken by someone else, you'll see an error message letting you know that it's not available. Try changing it up by adding a number or an underscore to make your username unique. When you're happy with the username you've entered, tap Save in the top right corner. You can change your username once every 30 days. To change your display name that appears at the top of your profile page, tap Name. Then type in what you'd like your display name to be. When you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. You can change your display name as often as you'd like. After that, you can return to your profile page and check out how it looks with your new username and display name. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.